Choose a flanged plunger with a soft rubber flange that folds out to form an airtight seal around the toilet outlet. A proper toilet plunger is defined by shape, material, and size, and you should prioritize a flanged or toilet-specific plunger over a sink cup plunger because its extended flange fits into the trap and creates the seal you need. Select one with thick, flexible rubber rather than hard plastic, so the flange conforms to irregular bowl shapes and avoids cracking under pressure. Match the cup diameter to the toilet bowl opening so the flange does not sit too deep or fail to reach the trap. If unsure, choose a standard toilet plunger size that fits most residential bowls. Check the handle length for leverage and control. A handle around 18 to 24 inches long gives good stroke power without being unwieldy. Maintain the plunger by rinsing after use, drying where possible, and storing vertically to avoid flange deformation. For stubborn blockages, position the flange inside the outlet. Push gently at first to remove trapped air. Then use steady, deep strokes that preserve the seal and pull back slightly on the upstroke to pull the clog free. Common mistakes include using a flat cup sink plunger that cannot seal the toilet trap and therefore wastes effort and spreads water around. Switch to a flanged plunger and fit the flange inside the trap. Another issue is using a hard or cracked flange that leaks air during plunging and reduces suction. Replace the plunger if the rubber is stiff, brittle, or misshapen. A third frequent problem is poor technique such as short, shallow strokes that do not move enough water through the trap. Solve this by ensuring a good seal, pushing to expel air, then using longer, controlled pushes and pulls so water pressure and suction work together. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by connecting them with profiles and community feedback, so we can compare options and ask questions before hiring. We also help contractors find work and build credibility through our platform and our active discussion community where members share experiences, tips, and recommendations.